Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 4th March 2025. Private equity investor Blackstone has withdrawn from acquiring a minority stake in India's Haldiram snack business due to valuation disagreements. Blackstone sought a 15% stake with a $8 billion valuation, while Haldiram's desired $10 billion valuation. Rival bidder Temasek remains interested. Additionally, there was a conflict regarding the timeline for Haldiram's potential IPO. E-commerce giant Amazon is building its own artificial intelligence model that could compete with more established offerings from firms like OpenAI and Anthropic. Amazon's upcoming Nova AI model aims to enhance reasoning capabilities. Nova is a reasoning AI model set to launch in June this year. In December last year, Amazon CEO Andy Jassy announced the new Nova models at a conference in Las Vegas. The government has decided that the date for closure of residual transactions for March 2025 be fixed as April 10, 2025. The nodal focal point branches must ensure that the accounts for all transactions, which is revenues, tax collection and payments, are affected at the receiving branches up to March 31, 2025 in the accounts for the current fiscal year itself, and are not mixed up with the transactions of April 2025. SEBI has mandated all listed companies to follow industry standards to effectively implement the requirement to disclose key performance indicators in the draft offer document and offer document as per SEBI ICAI Regulations 2018. Issuer companies and merchant banks must follow industry standards to ensure compliance with KPI disclosure requirement in draft offer documents. The circular shall apply to all draft offer documents filed with SEBI or stock exchanges on or after 1st April 2025. Luxembourg-based private equity company CVC Capital Partners announced the final close of its Strategic Opportunities 3 fund at Euro 4.61 billion or $4.85 billion. The fund has maintained the size of its predecessor while expanding its investor base, according to a company press statement, with the latest rise bringing total commitments under the firm's long-term strategy to over 13 billion euros across 3 vintages. Amazon's cloud services provider, Amazon Web Services, will invest about $8.2 billion in India's western state of Maharashtra over the next few years. India has been stepping up its efforts to pilot local cloud data storage. The country's cloud services market, estimated at $8.3 billion in 2023, is expected to grow to $24.2 billion by 2028. The e-commerce giant runs 2 data centers in the Indian subcontinent. One in Mumbai, launched in 2016, and another in Hyderabad, which started in 2022. Last year, Amazon said it would invest an additional $2 billion in Asia's 3rd largest economy to ramp up e-commerce business.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.